Assalamu alaikum,
Well,
brother. First of all, I want to thank you from bottom of my heart for the lecture. It was very enlightening, and as always. But I do have a question that came to mind for the Surah Rum 30 uh, and verse number 30, where you recited Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. فَقِيمُ وَجْهَكَ لِلدِّينِ حَنِيفًا فطرة الله التي فطر الناس عليها لا تبديل لخلق الله ذلك الدين القيم ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون. Now, when I read this ayah for some reason, to me, it appears that Allah says that He originated mankind on His
Fitrah.
Fitrah, the nature,
Yeah.
on what do and don'ts of Allah, so you know it, and that is the judgment upright.
Yeah.
Where you said that the Fitrah more about the attributes of
Yeah.
Allah,
Nature
that
of it.
we are in the spiritual essence, we're same as,
Yeah.
like it appeared to be like we're same as Allah.
No, no, no.
So, like, when I was listening
Yeah,
to
yeah,
the
yeah.
lecture, it appeared to be that we are same as Allah, but in the spiritual essence. But so that was my question. I just wanted to clarify that
Thank you.
even in the spiritual essence, we're not Allah Subhanahu
No, no,
wa
we are not. I didn't.
Taala, or similar to Him.
I was saying that Allah says that the nature of Allah is what Allah made mankind on His fitrat, on His nature. So we have to know what God's nature is. We are limited to the, like, don't we create? We create. All the attributes you take of Allah, and you see that can man do that, but not like Him. We can
Yes.
make things by own, because if we have created, like computer, they've created not something, cars we have created, aeroplanes we created, but we are not like God. But the, the to create, the nature to create, God has given us. Nature to love, God has given us. Nature to become gracious to people, not that. Be merciful to people, God has given us, but not eternal, limited. So we cannot create what God, we cannot create a single thing what God creates. We create similar things by His, like eyes, I told you, camera is created, by drums, so many things, by aeroplane, by sea, the flying of the bird, we created the aeroplanes. But we can't create birds. We can't create sperm. We can't do anything what God creates. But the nature of Allah, by His attributes that I defined, is similar. Allah has given to us. But human requirement is not, is separate. As a human, like we eat and drink, and we go to sleep, we have sex, we have children. That is nothing to do with Allah. Only spiritually we are same fitrat. But we are not God. We are not eternal. In
Look
limit
at
time, can create or do, even musawwir we can do, make, like Allah is musawwir. We can also make faces, but not like God.
okay. So yeah, that
Yeah.
was the clarification I wanted
Okay.
to ask. Thank you.
Thank you very much.